So let's see the properties of cross product. Let us focus on number 6 first. What's the meaning of R cross S? So R cross S is a vector perpendicular to both R and S. So for example, if you have vector R and vector S like this, therefore R cross S is another vector here where it is 90 degrees towards your R and also 90 degrees towards your S. That's the meaning of cross product. Now let's see property number 1. R cross R is equal to 0 vector. Meaning that if you have vector R and then you do cross product towards the same vector R, the result will be 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Number 2, if you have R cross S, this is the same with minus S cross R. Later on, when you have R cross S and you want to find S cross R, just multiply minus outside. Number 3, the magnitude for R cross S, this is just the same with magnitude of S cross R. For property number 4, if you have vector R cross vector S and you have M scalar multiply outside, this is the same with multiplying M towards your R first, then cross with S, and it's also the same with R cross M times S. This is distributive property. Number 5 also is a distributive property. If you want to do R cross S plus T, this is the same with R cross S plus R cross T. Now let's see property 7 and property 8. So in property 7 and property 8, we will have this equation here. Sin theta is equal to magnitude of R cross S over magnitude R times magnitude S. So this is almost the same with the formula that we learned previously in dot product. However, in dot product we have cos, but in cross product we have sine. So why did we have magnitude here? Because R cross S is a vector. So in order to find the value of your theta, we need to find magnitude so that this will be a number which you can divide and you can do inverse sines. So this is property number 8. Okay, where theta is the angle between R and S. For property number 7, it said that if R is parallel to S, therefore R cross S will be equal to 0. So why do we have this? Because when it is parallel, your angle will be either 0 degree or 180 degree. So if you have sine 0 degree or sine 180 degree, the value here will be 0. So since sine theta will be equal to 0, therefore we can conclude that R cross S will be equal to 0. So this is property number 7.